Your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Chicken. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is mango.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is buku apa?
Mochi. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coklat milk.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is
Orange.
orange.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is matcha.
Matcha. What is your favorite color? Yang nyaring. Tidak kedengeran.
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite color?